Today I have a new helmet for you guys, Marushin, which looks like a chopper pilot helmet or a plane pilot helmet. The B2. Let me unpack it and try it on. See if it's comfy. Oh, nice. So what's inside the box? The cover. So we can put the helmet and store it in that bag nicely. We have a visor, which is the dark shield visor. If you ride at daytime, I think this will come in handy. And the universal visor is mounted on the helmet. Okay, so kind of cool. Let me put it up here, and this can go back in the box. Okay, so that's how we pull the shield down, and that's how we put it up again. Some safety standards, so you can see that for the UK it's max safety. And then we have the instruction set here. Alright, so let's put it back in the box and let's try the helmet on. Let me do a 360 first. Oh, it looks kind of nice. So looking at the thing, it's pretty cool. You pull down the visor like this. Alright, my final impressions will be after I take a ride. The helmet seems quiet because a lot of sound is suppressed owing to the earphone looking protectors. So in general I like it.